the washing machines, so we can just start it out. Yeah, I have a new phone today, so because my other one is broken. See that, guys? It's broken. What happened? How do you continue? Can I? Still works, but I'm using a better one. So let's start with this. Just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I got it. Let me say it. Oh. There we go. There we go. So we're gonna start this. No blocks. There we go. Spinning it out.
You know what is the worst thing?
There we go. Oh, goes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be back. Just give me 1 second.
You're working tomorrow.
Oh. I'm back here, guys. Start again. Oh, why is it moving? Can I pause it? There we go. It's paused. Let's try the brick. That should be silly. There we go. Let's see, what can I do? Oh, sorry. Just smooth. Okay, spinning. Wow. Don't bump it. Don't bump. Don't bump it. No bump. No bumps for you. Let me just. Oh, what's happening to the block? Can I fix the block? I should break the glass. Or what? I should break the glass. Remember this. Okay, just go. Let's see. These ones will work. This one. Let's check. Oh, that does work. This is so fun. Wait, is the back okay? So, I just slipped. Can I use a different game? Oh yeah, let's check. Let's check this one if it's okay. There we go. Okay, that guy just... Well, he's not my friend. But he wants to join in. But he doesn't know how to I turn this on. It's just about this. These tools. And... Sorry. I'll turn them off. Oh, look, Brooks.
Get out of my bed, Rhea. Rhea, get out. Get out. In your own bed.
Oh, here we go. We're gonna turn them all, guys. All of them. Here it is. So, I turned on. Let's turned on those ones. Oh, there's more. There we go. See, those ones are works. Even this mice is annoying. Okay. How do you say go? Okay. You're okay. You're okay. There we go. I love it. You are okay because of your job. Okay. Break your thing. What? Black. Ah! I'm stuck. Ah! Jeez. Oh! How did you get that yourself? Oh, this is just got kicked. This. Ah! Hi! What's going on? Okay, I should break. Oh! What I done? Alright. Ah! Why did you further block your subbit? Subment? You're a subber. What a subby. Oh shoot. It's okay. Listen. What's going on with your thing? Can I just fix it? There we go. I'm so excited. Are you okay? Why are you going crazy with that block? Where's your block? Where's your block? Where's your block? You don't have a block? You don't? Oh, you do. You do still have a block, but those are working. So guys, that's all. So bye.